Spanish for You. Simple, effective, affordable. A curriculum for kids grades 3 to 8 for home or classes. It's different from other curriculums because it's sold in themed packages that can be done in any order. Rather than complete levels, kids build skill and knowledge the more themes they complete. You can choose one theme to use with all your kids at the same time. They'll all learn the same material, but with lessons tailored to their own grade levels. There are even interactive games and activities that allow them to practice together. Just follow the lesson guide day by day. The daily lessons are less than 30 minutes and filled with variety to keep kids interested and appeal to different learning styles. They'll read from the book along with the audio, make flashcards they use for many activities, do one-page worksheets they can check themselves, play games like Grab the Vocab, Go Fish, Bingo, and many others that are equally fun and easy to do. Oh, and did we mention that the entire book is on audio, so you're able to hear everything? Want to use the curriculum for classes? Just add a set of our teacher lesson plans. Teach class with our weekly lesson plans and use the corresponding weekly lesson guide for homework or in-class practice. All the work is done for you. Because the themed packages can be done in any order, you can place experienced Spanish for You students and inexperienced students together at the beginning of a themed package. The experienced students continue to progress while the new students are seamlessly integrated.